Welcome to Edinburgh, or Edinburgh for the true Scottish fan. Drenched in history, alive with vibrant culture, and teeming with easy-to-explore attractions, this capital city of Scotland is the perfect setting for a 2-day getaway. So grab your bagpipe and let me show you the perfect 48-hour Edinburgh itinerary. On day 1, start your adventure at the Edinburgh Castle. This ancient fortress, perched atop a volcanic plug, is home to the oldest building in Edinburgh, St. Margaret's Chapel. Other highlights you should see when visiting the castle include the Crown's Jewels, the Royal Palace, and the National War Museum of Scotland. From the castle, you tread the path of kings and queens down the Royal Mile. This is a street steeped in history, connecting the castle and the palace of Holyrood House. Along the Royal Mile path, you'll also find some great souvenir shops, unique museums, and some delicious treats. Speaking of those, next head to Makars Mash bar to savor some delicious Scottish comfort food. Make sure to try the infamous Scottish eggs, which are hard-boiled eggs covered in sausage meat, then breadcrumbs, and finally deep fried. They are so tasty. And of course, you have to try haggis, the national Scottish dish. I think it may be best if I don't try to describe how this unique culinary dish is made or what parts of sheep are used, but trust me, it is absolutely delicious. After lunch and just a few steps away, head to the vibrant Victoria Street. Its colorful curving architecture is rumored to be the inspiration behind Harry Potter's Diagon Alley. It is also where some famous scenes from the Avengers movies were filmed. So, although it's a perfect photo spot, you may not be the only one trying to snap it. Then, go explore the amazing National Museum of Scotland. This is the UK's most popular attraction outside of London. Entrance is completely free and exhibits range from art to history to science, including the famous cloned sheep Dolly. And one extra little known tip, make sure to go to the 7th floor of the museum to enjoy some beautiful and unique views of Edinburgh. Wrap up your first day with dinner at the Piper's Rest. Edinburgh is also known for its pub culture, so this traditional Scottish restaurant and pub is the perfect atmosphere for great food, drinks, and live music. Start day 2 in the tranquil village. Once a bustling center of a successful grain mill area, it is now a peaceful haven right in the heart of Edinburgh. Its unique charm, the idyllic setting along the river, and its charming architecture makes this a perfect morning spot for you to explore. There are some great restaurants in the area, but if you want to splurge a little and eat at a unique spot, head to the Dome. An architectural masterpiece, this grand building has a rich history, having once been the headquarters for the Commercial Bank of Scotland. And now it's a stunning restaurant where you can enjoy your lunch. Next, head to the Princess Street Gardens, which is home to the towering Scott Monument. This tiered Gothic structure is incredibly imposing, and you'll probably see it from several angles throughout your trip. Stroll around the gardens and make sure to stop at the beautiful Victorian-style Ross Fountain for an amazing photo. To end this adventure literally on a high note, hike up to Calton Hill. Don't worry, this is a super easy 30-minute hike that will give you some incredible panoramic views of Edinburgh and spoil you with a stunning sunset. This hilltop is also home to some amazing buildings and monuments, including the City Observatory, the Nelson Monument, the Dugald Stewart Monument, and the unfinished Athenian Acropolis. From up there, you can also see Arthur's Seat, another very popular hike that I would highly recommend if you have the time to do it. Edinburgh really is one of the best destinations for a short but rich getaway. It is super walkable, perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers, and of course, filled with beauty and history. So I hope you've enjoyed this 2-day Edinburgh guide. I wish you the most amazing trip to this enchanting city. And if you like this video, you will also love this video right here on the screen. And don't forget to follow along our other adventures filled with tips for you as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at our next destination.